The secret to youthful movement: 8 collagen-rich fruits seniors must eat after 60. Are you over 60 and experiencing those familiar aches and stiffness? Bloated neck, stiff knees, tingling hands, aching joints, and that feeling of weakening legs? What if I told you there's a natural, scientifically backed way to combat these common issues? It all comes down to collagen, the vital protein responsible for your strong tendons, healthy joints, and even your peripheral nervous system. Around age 60, your body significantly slows down its collagen production, leading to the symptoms many seniors face, like difficulty walking, unexpected falls, and nighttime leg cramps. But here's the amazing news. By regularly incorporating specific fruits into your diet, you can naturally restart your body's collagen production. This can lead to regaining mobility, reducing inflammation, banishing cramps, and strengthening your muscles. We're not talking about speculation here. This information is backed by peer-reviewed studies published in leading clinical nutrition journals. In fact, one study showed that seniors who regularly eat the top fruit on our list saw a remarkable 42% decrease in knee soreness and a 24% increase in collagen density after just a few weeks. Before we dive into these incredible fruits, let us know in the comments where you're watching from and if there's a fruit you simply can't eat. We love hearing from our community, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthcare and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our best health tips. Fruit number 8. Amla Indian Gooseberry, the gentle collagen builder. Amla, also known as the Indian gooseberry, is a powerhouse of vitamin C. This isn't just any antioxidant. Vitamin C is an essential building block for procollagen, the precursor to the collagen found in your tendons, muscles, and joints. Just 100 grams of amla can contain up to 478 milligrams of vitamin C, which is over 10 times the amount found in an orange. Studies have shown that amla extract significantly increases the activity of crucial enzymes like lysyl hydroxylase and prolyl hydroxylase, which help stabilize collagen structure. This means your joints can move more freely, your connective tissues become stronger, and your limbs feel less achy and stiff. Amla is also rich in gallic and ellagic acids, powerful antioxidants that protect your existing collagen from oxidative damage and chronic inflammation, a true game-changer for anyone over 60 whose natural anti-inflammatory defenses may be weakening. Including amla in your daily routine can help slow down muscle loss, improve leg circulation, and prevent those frustrating nightly leg cramps. It's gentle on the stomach, making it ideal for mornings, and can be consumed as a dry powder, fresh juice, or amla tea. Think of amla as the gentle nudge your body needs to reactivate its collagen-building machinery. Fruit number 7. Black raspberries, the collagen shield for joint aging. If amla is the wake-up call, then black raspberries are the armor that shields your body's healing process. These dark, purple berries are packed with anthocyanins, plant compounds that protect collagen from chronic inflammation. This is crucial because inflammation is a significant contributor to muscle weakness and reduced flexibility in seniors. A 2014 study found that anthocyanins in black raspberries can suppress matrix metalloproteinases (MMPs), enzymes that break down connective tissue, especially type II collagen found in knees and spinal discs. By inhibiting MMP activity, black raspberries help seniors rebuild cartilage and ligaments, leading to reduced pain, greater flexibility, and a stronger, more stable stride. Preliminary human testing even suggests that black raspberry extract can significantly improve joint mobility and reduce morning stiffness. These berries are not overly sweet or sour, making them a perfect addition to your daily diet, whether in a smoothie or mixed with yogurt. They also encourage microcirculation, helping to restore normal blood flow to your legs, ideal for those who suffer from nighttime leg cramps or the feeling that blood isn't reaching their calves. Fruit number 6. Blueberries, carrying collagen deep into your limbs. Have you ever wondered why your legs feel weak and your joints hurt, even with a healthy diet? It's not just about absorbing nutrients, it's about getting them to the right places. Blueberries are essential for this. While not the highest in vitamin C, they significantly enhance your body's ability to absorb it more effectively for collagen production. The anthocyanins in blueberries not only act as powerful antioxidants, but also positively boost collagenase enzyme activity. This means they help your body replace damaged, weak collagen with healthier, more robust fibers. Even more importantly, blueberries boost the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that promotes microcirculation and opens blood vessels in your knees, calves, and feet, areas often vulnerable to insufficient blood flow in older adults. Seniors who regularly include blueberries in their diet often report improved walking endurance, less tingling, and reduced coldness in their legs and feet. A clinical study even found that postmenopausal women who consumed blueberry smoothies daily saw a 21% improvement in peripheral blood flow. Blueberries act as the delivery system, repairing tiny blood vessels and allowing vital nutrients to reach areas where circulation is often compromised with age. Fruit number 5. Strawberries, the muscle and joint collagen restorer. Once blueberries have improved your microcirculation, your body enters the rebuilding phase, and strawberries are the ideal fruit to kickstart this process. They are practically designed for collagen renewal. Just 100 grams of strawberries contain roughly 59 milligrams of vitamin C and, crucially, manganese. Manganese directly aids in the production of new collagen fibers, especially type 1 collagen, the most common type found in muscles, tendons, soft tissues, and skin. Research suggests that the vitamin C and manganese in strawberries can increase new collagen production by up to 30% and prevent the enzymes that break down existing or damaged collagen. Strawberries are also rich in flavonoids like quercetin and camphorol, which reduce chronic inflammation in cartilage tissues, a primary cause of knee pain, limb weakness, and muscle spasms in the elderly. A University of Oklahoma study showed that seniors who ate strawberries daily experienced decreased knee pain and an increase in standing balance time. Strawberries are also easy on the stomach, making them a gentle and delicious addition to your diet. They are fantastic fresh, juiced, or blended into a smoothie with blueberries and black raspberries for an ultimate collagen healing blend. Fruit number 4. Papaya, deep collagen regeneration. If your thighs feel like soft dough, your knees crack when you stand, or your grip feels weak, you need something that goes deeper to rebuild injured tissue. Enter papaya, a fruit designed to do just that. It contains one of the strongest natural enzymes, papain, which is even used in post-operative recovery programs. Papain can break down excess proteins and damaged tissue, allowing your body to start producing new collagen. It significantly increases the absorption of proline and glycinate, the amino acids that form the backbone of collagen fibers. When these amino acids rise in your blood, your body naturally activates collagen synthetase, an enzyme that initiates the rebuilding process. This is vital for anyone over 60 showing early signs of joint degradation, weak legs, or muscle loss. Beyond papain, papaya is rich in folate, vitamins A, C, and E, all essential for rebuilding capillaries, repairing damaged cartilage cells, and fortifying ligaments. A clinical trial in Malaysia found that older adults who ate papaya daily experienced a significant drop in C-reactive protein, a marker of inflammation, and improved muscle and tendon healing, especially in the calves and knees. Papaya also aids digestion, which can be a common issue preventing seniors from absorbing enough protein and nutrients for collagen production. Fruit number 3. Pineapple, natural anti-inflammatory for stronger legs. For stronger legs and healthier knees, pineapple is your natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse. It contains a unique substance called bromelain, an enzyme that breaks down protein, and has been extensively studied for its medical benefits. Bromelain reduces systemic inflammation, inhibits pain-producing prostaglandins, and aids in healing damaged connective tissue. This is crucial for elderly people struggling with stiffness, weak legs, or swollen knees. A German study found that rheumatoid arthritis patients who took bromelain daily experienced a 41% reduction in pain and swelling, along with improved joint function. Bromelain also increases blood flow and reduces lower limb stagnation, a common cause of nighttime leg cramps, cold feet, and numbness. Pineapple also provides manganese, vitamin C, thiamine, and vitamin B6, which help rebuild cartilage, ligaments, and thigh muscles that can degrade with age or a sedentary lifestyle. What makes pineapple truly unique is its ability to eliminate inflammatory tissue. Bromelain gently breaks down damaged cells, lessens swelling around joints, and makes it easier for vital nutrients from other fruits to reach affected areas. Seniors experiencing tight calves, cracking knees, or pain after walking can greatly benefit from adding pineapple to their daily diet. Just remember to choose fresh pineapple over syrupy, canned varieties to maximize bromelain's effectiveness. Fruit number 2. Guava, the most robust plant-based collagen booster. Guavas are a little-known natural food phenomenon, less expensive than many supplements, yet incredibly effective for boosting collagen density, restoring cartilage, and delaying joint aging. They boast an incredible 200 to 300 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams, far more than oranges or strawberries. This high vitamin C content is critical for the creation of type 1 and type 2 collagen, the building blocks of your muscles, ligaments, and joint cartilage. A 2012 study showed that after just 6 weeks of daily guava consumption, participants experienced reduced morning knee stiffness and inflammation, a 24% increase in collagen density, and improved flexibility and walking abilities. Guava also contains a powerful flavonoid called quercetin, which inhibits inflammatory enzymes often responsible for damaged joints and muscle contraction in the elderly. Rich in soluble fiber and potassium, guavas help control blood sugar levels and improve blood flow to the lower limbs, crucial for seniors with metabolic imbalances. Guava is perfect for everyday use, whether fresh, as cold-pressed juice, or combined with pineapple or papaya for a full-spectrum collagen healing blend. Many seniors report less nighttime leg cramps and easier movement out of a seated position after regular guava consumption. Guava not only boosts collagen, but also protects existing fibers from damage, offering a powerful double shield. Fruit number 1. Kiwi, the key to optimal collagen absorption. Our top fruit doesn't necessarily have the highest vitamin C, but it works through an entirely different and crucial process. Kiwi is the key that unlocks your body's potential to absorb and use collagen at the tissue level. It helps your body not only produce collagen, but also distribute it to the exact locations where it's needed most. Kiwi contains a special enzyme called actinidin, which breaks down complex proteins into small peptides. In this precise form, your body can absorb them more efficiently and convert them into collagen. This means kiwis enhance every stage of the collagen process, from digestion to joint healing. By actively helping your small intestine absorb collagen from all the foods and supplements you consume. A 2010 study found that including kiwis in the diet increased collagen peptide absorption by 27% in older adults, who reported significant reductions in leg numbness and knee fatigue within 2 weeks. They also showed improvements in single leg balance time, a critical predictor of fall risk in seniors. Kiwis also provide potassium, lutein, vitamin E, and soluble fiber, all of which improve circulation, lower blood pressure, and minimize nighttime cramps. Experts suggest eating kiwis in the morning or evening when actinidin is most active, to promote digestion and maximize collagen absorption from your main meals. Eating just 1 kiwi each day can lead to increased collagen density, less joint inflammation, better absorption, increased mobility, a lower chance of falls, and an overall higher quality of life as you age. These 8 collagen-rich fruits offer a natural, effective way to support your joint health, strengthen your muscles, and improve your overall mobility as you age. Which of these fruits will you try first? Have you noticed your legs getting weaker after 60? Share your experiences and questions in the comments below. We read and respond to every single one, because this is about building a community that wants to live better, longer, and more natural lives. Don't let collagen loss dictate your golden years. Take action today, just like Richard, and experience the transformative power of these incredible fruits.